Hi everyone, it's Terry. I'm back with another video. What I'm showing you today is one of my Marx 50-watt transformers that I have on my layout. And if you notice, there is something taped to the top of it. Well, I'm going to zoom in and you see this has a knob with a number 5 on it. What this is a 5 amp circuit breaker that I picked up at the local boat shop near my home. And the reason I have this on here is this particular Marx transformer did not have a circuit breaker built into it at the time of manufacture. And you really need one because should anything short across the rails, you can burn up the secondary winding in your transformer in about a minute. And once that happens, the transformer's junk. It will never work again. So I picked this up for about $6 and installed it. As you see, it has a spade connection, quick connects. I have one wire going to track to this terminal. The other terminal goes down and connects to the post on the power pack. So I'm going to give a demonstration and see how this works. Let me zoom out here. Stand up. We'll show you how this works. Here is the packaging for it. As I said, it's made by Blue Sea Systems. Push button 5 amp circuit breaker. But I said you pick these up in any boat shop, marine area. And I'll demonstrate how this works. I've got the 490 on the outside rail, and that's what the circuit breaker is wired to. So I'm going to turn it on. I'll let the train run around for a while. See, it's running around. Now as it comes down, I am going to short the rail. And you will heard a click. Now the button is popped out, and as you can see, that shut the the train right down, and it will protect the transformer. Now if I push that back in, power is restored, the train runs. Well worth the $6 because to replace one of these transformers, now these, sometimes you can pick them up for under $10 on eBay, but you're not always sure they're going to work. But if you have like a Lionel ZW or some, an older transformer that doesn't have a circuit breaker, or maybe the circuit breaker is faulty, this gives you protection. You don't have to worry. And that $6 is well worth the effort. I'll demonstrate it again. Here comes the train around. I'm going to short the rail. 2, 3. So about 2.5 to 3 seconds, it pops. And it will do that every time. And it protects your layout from harm. I'll reset. The train runs again. So definitely something you want to consider if you have one of these old Marx or Lionel transformers that did not have a built-in circuit breaker. I highly recommend getting one and install it. It's very easy to install. As I said, one post goes to track for your lock on, the other post goes down to the post on the transformer. Only takes a minute or two to put it in, and you won't have to worry about your transformer getting burned up should a derailment occur or something short the rails. So I just wanted to share that with you, that quick video. I hope you enjoy watching it. Please feel free to leave any comments at my email, jomd67@gmail.com, and thank you for watching.